how to fix Battle.net installation error. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. First, we want to close Battle.net, so just click on exit here, close the app altogether. Now open up your computer, search for run, and the first thing that you want to type is this % program data %, and click on OK. Here, locate any Battle.net folders which you may have. I have these two, so Battle.net and components. You want to right click and delete them. Once we have done this, then we can proceed to the second step, which will be opening up run again. This time we will type %local app data %, just like that, and you want to click on OK. Here again, you want to find any Battle.net folders and just delete them. So after you have deleted the Battle.net folders from here as well, the last thing that we need to do is to type run again, and this time we will just type temp, so %temp %, okay, and here make sure you delete every single folder which you have and file as well. So once you have deleted all of the files here and done what I've shown you, leave a like on this video, restart your PC, and you should no longer get the installation error on Battle.net. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.